Now, before we get into this chapter 23 of Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. It would certainly help us keep bringing these videos to you. And again, if these videos are helpful to you, please do that. We'll appreciate it. Now, getting into chapter 23, we're going to cover 23 and 24 in this chapter because the rules are so similar here. There's not enough difference in the regulations and requirements. Now, looking at the standard calculation, Article 220, Part 3 is where we obtain this information. Now, notice load 1 of the 7 loads that we have here. Look at the loads that are included. General lighting load, show window, track lighting loads, low voltage lighting loads, outside lights, lighting units, sign lighting loads. And then notice we give you the sections to review: 220.12, 220.43a, 220.43b, Article 411, 230.42a1, and 220.14f. Now we're going to break all these loads down and talk about them individually, but this is the lighting load. Now, going to load 2, we pick up the receptacle loads that you see in the illustration. Load 2, receptacle loads. And notice they could be duplex receptacles, single receptacles, floor receptacles, multi-outlet assemblies. But notice that it's just a load 2, and we figure 180 VA per outlet. If the outlets, operate less than 3 hours in accordance with the definition of continuous load in Article 100 of the NEC. But if they operated at a continuous basis, then we'd take 180 VA from 220.14i and take 125% of 180, and that'd be 225 VA per outlet. And then we'd have demands that we could put on these receptacles also. And again, we're going to break these loads down individually. And then we would pick up the load 3, and that's your special appliance loads, as you see there. And those are direct circuit loads, special appliances. It could be air conditioners, it could be heating units, it could be anything. And then we would pick up load 4, which is your compressor loads. Now, we take all the compressor loads that are compressor type loads and put them in a column. And then they're addressed in 440.34. And then we pick up load 5, which is the motor loads. And again, we list all of them in accordance